Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to apply dark mode on Tinder. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, go to your profile page and then access the settings menu. You can see that there is no option for dark mode in the app itself. Even if you scroll below, you will not find any option to turn on dark mode. So, you cannot use the dark mode on the Tinder app or enable it on the platform itself. However, there is a way by which you may get dark mode on Tinder as well, but it does not work on every device. So, what you need to do is go to settings of your phone on the display section and enable the dark mode. When you do that, it enables dark mode on the Tinder too. But note that it is not the same for all devices. So that's basically how you can apply dark mode on Tinder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.